Alan Peter Schramm Cayetano, born October 28, 1970, is a Filipino lawyer, diplomat, and politician serving as a senator since 2022 and previously from 2007 to 2017. He was the Senate Minority Leader from 2010 to 2013, and later Senate Majority Leader from 2013 to 2016. He also served as the representative of Taguig Pateros from 1998 to 2007 and from 2019 to 2022, and was the Speaker of the House of Representatives from 2019 until his resignation in 2020. He also served as the Secretary of Foreign Affairs from 2017 to 2018 in the cabinet of President Rodrigo Duterte, after unsuccessfully running for vice president in the 2016 elections as Duterte's running mate. Cayetano was born into and raised in a political family currently based in Taguig. His father was the late former Senator Rene Cayetano. His older sister, Pia, is also an incumbent senator. His younger brother, Lino, is a former mayor of Taguig, and his wife, Lonnie, is the incumbent mayor of Taguig and served as the representative of the city's 1st District, which also includes Pateros, and 2nd District. Cayetano was the chairman of the organizing committee for the 2019 Southeast Asian Games. During his time as Speaker, he was appointed chairman of the Defeat COVID-19 Ad Hoc Committee during the early months of the COVID-19 pandemic and was involved in the shutdown of broadcasting and loss of franchise of ABS-CBN, the country's largest media network. Since 2023, Cayetano and his sister Pia have hosted the GMA public service program Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda. Your whole life is a prayer, in thoughts and actions. This is the creed that Alan lives by. Whether as a loving husband, a supportive brother, a dutiful son, or a loyal friend, he strives to live out his faith every day. He shares kindness, compassion, and gratitude from the heart. As a leader, he uses his God-given gifts and talents to serve others and speak truth to power. Alan dedicated his life's work to public service. He started his political journey at the young age of 22 and has not looked back since, applying his brand of solutions-based leadership to both the executive and legislative branches of government. As Senator, DFA Secretary, and House Speaker, he spearheaded landmark programs that promoted and protected the rights of OFWS, improved our business climate, and uplifted the lives of Filipinos. Alan believes that every Filipino deserves the best, and he has used his platform consistently in order to take action and create positive change. Working on the side of families, the poor, the working class, and the disadvantaged, he has fought for opportunity to make sure everyone gets the chances they need to succeed. Big problems require big solutions, and the only way forward for the Philippines is to think big if we want real, lasting structural change. Cayetano was born in Mandaluyong to lawyer Renato Compañero Cayetano and German-American former school teacher Sandra Schramm. He was raised in Parañaque and moved to Taguig in 1991. Although he inherited United States citizenship by descent, he relinquished his U.S. citizenship in 1998. 10. Cayetano completed both his elementary and secondary education at the Las All Santiago Zobel School. In the 1980s, Cayetano admitted to having nearly been expelled from high school due to him regularly joining his father Rene at the Batasang Pambansa instead of attending class. In college, he studied political science at the University of the Philippines, Diplomat, and graduated in 1993. His college days played an important role in his political career. Apart from having a senator as a father, it was in UP where he got his first taste of politics. Just a year after he entered UP Diliman in 1989, he ran for a post in the UP Diliman University Student Council and won. He then finished his Juris Doctor degree from the Ateneo de Manila University School of Law in 1997, graduating second honors silver medalist. Thereafter, he was admitted to the Philippine Bar in 1998. Cayetano, a lawyer, first entered politics in 1992 as a councilor of Taguig. He would later become municipal vice mayor in 1995 and then representative of the lone district of Taguig Pateros in the House of Representatives in 1998. He served in the lower chamber for 3 consecutive terms until 2007 and for another term from 2019 to 2022, during which he became the 22nd Speaker of the House of Representatives, but for just over a year. In 2020, he resigned as Speaker minutes after lawmakers ousted him and proclaimed his rival Lord Alan Velasco as their new leader. He joined the Senate in 2007 and was re-elected for another term in 2013. However, he left the upper chamber in 2017 when he was appointed Foreign Secretary by Duterte, his running mate in the 2016 elections, after Cayetano lost the vice presidential race to Leni Robredo. He served in the cabinet for just over a year, resigning in 2018 to run in the 2019 elections. He was a proponent of laws on education such as the UP Charter and the Iskler NG Bayan Act, and laws on the rights of persons with disabilities such as the Magna Carta for disabled persons. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.